Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here with another Vanilla.js quick tip. Let's get into it. The element matches method checks whether an element would or wouldn't be selected by a particular selector that you pass in as an argument. It returns true if it would and false if it wouldn't. So in this case, I am grabbing the first element in the UI that has the bgRed class on it. And I want to check if it has the data snack attribute on it. So I'm going to grab it with query selector, and then I'm going to call red matches. I'm going to pass in square brackets data snack as my selector. If it has that attribute, it's going to log yummy snack, and if it doesn't, it's going to log no snacks. And looking at that element, button number 2, you can see it does not have the data snack attribute. So I'm expecting no snacks to be logged. And if I jump over to the browser, you can see that's exactly what happens. Let's look at another example. Here, I am going to grab the first element with the data snack equals carrots attribute on it, which would be button number 5. And I'm going to check to see if it has the bgRed class on it, which this one does. So if matches returns true, we're going to log red background, woohoo. If not, we're going to log nope, not red. And if I save this and jump over to the browser, you can see we get red background, woohoo, because it does have that selector on it. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.